guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm VP.
I'm Arlene. I'm Mileen.
And today we're doing something that Arlene really wanted to do, the 7 magic mountains in Nevada. Now what is that, you may ask?
It's art.
There's nothing around here. Like, there's nothing. Literally
What
nothing.
do you mean? It's a work of art.
Until you see this. Big boulders just in the painted bright and here in the middle of nowhere.
And they're magical.
And they call them the 7 magic mountains. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this quick vlog about the 7 magic mountains here in Nevada. Cool little art display.
Very cool. I loved it.
You satisfied making us feel like a roasted chicken in an oven?
Oh, stop it.
Guys, we love you. Remember, love is magical. Go share it with someone.
Bye. See you on that next adventure.